Okay, the next step here is create a security group. For the security group, I should say, as mentioned here, security groups act as a firewall for associated instance, controlling both inbound and outbound traffic at the instance level. Be careful. Here is at the instance level. I remember it was one of the question is related to this. At the future, I will explain more about the instance level and VPC level. Here, you must add rules to a security group that enable you to connect to your instance from your IP address using SSH. You can also add rules that allow inbound and outbound HTTP and HTTPS from anywhere. Consider this only you want to access to your server by web page, and here you should create the security policy. There are two options for security policy: is creating security group for AWS CLI, new EC2 security group. Tools for Windows PowerShell and AWS tools. But here for the new console, to create a security group with least privilege, we should go to this side. You can see it was the same page that we created the security group. You can see here network and security group. This is a default VPC security group. We didn't create it, and now we should create a new one with this instruction. As I told you, in the left navigation pane, choose security group. Choose a create security group. For basic details, do following. Enter a name for new security group and description. Use a name that is easy for you to remember, such as your username, followed by SG plus the region name, for example, MESG US 2. Here, I try to create security group. Security group name, it was first page security group. Sorry, it was first project security group, and finally Virginia. And V is okay. anything you want mention here as a description. For example, it is for my first project, and here also you are able to add rule. For adding rule, according to the instruction, we should add rule for the type HTTP source and to anywhere. HTTP source anywhere another one is HTTPS anywhere IP4. The last one is SSH for connecting to the console. It's better that you choose my IP. It recognizes your IP because of security. Only with your IP you can access to the console. Usually everywhere they suggest that you do that. As you see here, choose my IP to automatically add the public IP4 address of your local computer. Okay, you add everything here. Now is ready for create a security group. For the outbound rules is default and you don't touch it. There is a message creating security group, create 3 inbound rules. Okay.